It's Ruth Nanda here, aka Lo. What's good? What's poppin'? Welcome back to the channel, you guys. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are a returner because you are a part of Lo gang, then what's up, sis? How you doing? How you doing? Thanks for checking out another video from moi. So as you guys can tell from the title of this video, we'll be checking out some new products from Eden Bodyworks in my new Curlbox. I know I haven't sat down to do a video with you guys in a long time, but I want to show you guys what I got in my Eden box, and we're going to try it out. As you guys can see, I have a protective style in, some braids, sis. So we're gonna get rid of these braids and do a quick wash. And I don't know what I'm doing with my hair, we're gonna see after the fact, but I just really want to show you guys the wash day using my good Eden products. So if you guys are interested in checking out what is in my Curlbox for this month of December and how these products work, the review on it, definitely make sure you keep watching because you're gonna want to watch. You're gonna want to know what's good with these products, sis. And I have a little discount code so you guys can get 15% off if you guys are interested in checking them out as well. So let's get into the video. So you guys, if you are new to this channel, welcome. I do natural hair products. I do things on a budget. All right, y'all, so let's get into this box that we have. Okay, so the first thing we do, we have this nice little box right here. Super cute. I like the aesthetic. And then when you open it up, we have a bunch of goodies within this box. Oh, it's all falling out, but as you guys can tell, it is a Lavender Aloe brand that I will be trying out today. So let's get right into the first product. Okay, y'all, so the first thing we're gonna do is get rid of these braids and get rid of them now, because I had these braids in before vacation and it's been about a good 3 weeks now, and it's time for it to go. If you have not checked out me doing these braids, I will link it somewhere up above, so you could definitely check out how to do these passion twists. And this is Amazon hair, and child, this Amazon hair is good. Okay, this is real good. So yeah, let's get rid of these braids and then we're gonna come back and get into these products in our wash. Okay, y'all, so the hair is out and ready to go. Like, if my hair wasn't dirty, girl, I would have slicked these edges down and wear this to work tomorrow, but my hair is super dirty. Can y'all see that? Super build up. Okay, and because the Lavender Aloe is actually a co-wash, I am going to wash my hair with an actual shampoo, a clarifying shampoo first, and then I'm going to go in with the co-wash. So I'm going to either use my curly hydration shampoo, or I'm going to use my clarifying peppermint tree shampoo. So I'm either going to use one of these first, and then I'm going to follow up with my my co-wash. So I'm gonna wash my hair, come back, and we're gonna get into the co-wash. I'm gonna just really cleanse it, get it clean, and then we're gonna get into this co-wash because I'm excited to use this. Okay, y'all, so I've washed my hair. I use a clarifying shampoo and clarified my hair. So we're now going to use, and I have it already sectioned as much as possible. So now we're gonna go in and use the moisturizing co-wash. It is a conditioning cleanser to remove residue and buildup between washes. We're gonna pop this bad boy and we're gonna see. Okay, I don't know if I can smell any lavender in it, but we're gonna see. All right, so this is the section that we're using. This is how my hair looks. Let me see if I can zoom in for y'all a little bit. So this is what my hair is looking like right now, and I'm gonna apply this from the root, from the ends to the roots. I might use a lot of this. I might use a lot of this, but we're gonna see if it detangles really good or not, for the fact that, you know, when you get them fresh braids taken out, sis, this hair is tangly. Okay, so let's go ahead and detangle. Okay, and I'm using my new little comb from Eden. It's super cute, so I might as well use it. I might need to put some more water on this hair. I think I'm gonna go ahead and wet this hair some more and come back to see how it lathers up. So I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I went in and wet all my hair and went ahead and got it lathered up. Honey, my hair is so soft. I'm about to show you guys how much hair that I shedded in a little bit, but let's get into this. Like, when I mean hands down, this is my favorite line so far that I have received in my Curlbox. Well, my hair already loves aloe vera, period. And honey, this is my favorite right here. So I have other co-washes, but this one is my freaking favorite, hands down. Like, the slip is ridiculous. After I was able to section it off and detangle, I was able to slip through my hair like nobody's business. Look. And to think, you know, when you take your braids out, sis, you be having a problem with the detangling, but this does detangle. It does what it's supposed to do. Like, it's giving aloe vera slip. Okay, let me show y'all what it's looking like. Look at these curls. Look at these curls. Look at that. Look at that. This is a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I'm loving it. I'm excited to see what the conditioner is going to give, because if the co-wash is giving this, the conditioner is giving, you know what I mean? So let's get into the conditioner. I'm going to show y'all what my hair looks like after it has been rinsed out. So yeah, let's get in. Okay, y'all, so I rinsed out my hair and everything. So what we're going to get into, oh, let me show y'all how much hair I lost. I just put it on this little paper tissue. This is how much hair I lost. I know it's crazy, but imagine that's like 3 to 4 weeks of not combing my hair with braids. So I don't feel like that's a lot. So yeah, anyways, let's get into the anti-breakage deep conditioner. This says it's protein-free deep conditioner designed to strengthen weak strands and moisturize the hair. I don't really smell much lavender. This has a faint smell of lavender, but it's thick though. It's thick. You know how I feel about thick products. If you're new to this channel, my hair loves thick products. We love thick products over here, and it all depends on the type of hair that you do have, your hair type. If you have more fine, coarse, you know, whatever. So me, I have more of a coarse hair, and my hair loves thick products. So yeah, so we're gonna start with the first section, y'all, to see what it's giving. Okay, all right, let's go in. Grab some of it. Is this, yeah, let me make sure, because the tube of the hair and body butter is the same, so I need to make sure. Get this in here, and we're just gonna apply it to the hair. Okay, y'all, so I'm just gonna section it off a little bit smaller just to make it more manageable, and then apply more of the conditioner. The hair, it is so freaking thick, like so thick. I love it. Okay, I will come back with you guys and show you what the hair is looking like, y'all. Okay, y'all, so the conditioner is all in my hair now. This is the curls that it's giving. Can you see that? Yeah, it's giving cute, hydrated, defined, in all mine. Okay. And I'll keep it in for about 20 minutes, and I'm gonna take a shower, and I'll come back and show you guys how my hair looks after it has been rinsed out. And yeah, guys, so my hair is done. It is washed, fresh, smelling good. It is popping with the definition. Okay, love it. My hair is so soft, I must add, so soft. So what we're gonna do is put in our leave-in next. I don't know if you guys can even see that. We're going to do the leave-in, and then we're gonna head in with the body butter, hair and body butter, and some hair growth oil. So we're gonna add that to the hair. I'm just gonna section my hair out so that I can apply some of these products to it. All right, y'all, so I moisturized this section already, so we're gonna moisturize this section. So the first thing I do is going to apply some of the leave-in, which is really soft. I really like it to the touch. It's smooth. So the next thing we're going to do is use the hair and body butter. Super thick. See, this is why I fell in love with Eden, because they got thick products. You feel me? Because I like a thick product, okay? And then I just make sure I get on my ends and on my hair. And then I'm going to finish it off with the oil. And I usually do the LCO method, leave-in, cream, and oil. So some people use the LOC method, leave-in, oil, and then cream. But my hair does better with the LCO method. So, and now I'm going to detangle. And like that, y'all, it is super soft and hydrated. Like, look at it. So I'm going to use some of the smoothing gel because I want to try it out. We're going to try out all the products, honey. The little travel size smoothing gel they gave me, we're going to try it out, sis. So, oh, this is like real gel. Like, it's soft. It's not even like a thick gel. So what I'm going to do is just, you know, just smooth it in the front of my hair. Style this hair and I'll be right back, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I just kind of made this cute little style with this headband that I bought from the beauty supply store. It's by Red Kiss. So I just put this on my head. I do have my edge control by Eden that I have, which is their coconut shea edge control, to just slick my edges down. And baby, this style is going to be done. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I laid my edges as you guys saw earlier and just puffed out this hair, and I used my headband by Red Kiss. I will see if I can also link that in my descriptions if you guys are interested in checking them out. I had a black one as well. They're super cool. This is silk, so it won't snag your hair. I love that for the naturals. You know, we gotta protect our hair. It's winter time. So yeah, I really love these products. My final thoughts is 2 thumbs up. A plus, A plus. Like they say, the best for last, you know, my birthday month. Because baby, these products is giving. My favorites is the hair and body butter, the hair refresher that I've been spraying all the time, and the co-wash. Hands down my favorite of the line. Like, I like all of it, but these are my favorites. I would be using these consistently over and over and over again. Like, I've been refreshing my hair with this thing all the time. Like, it's super good to give you like a little mist and hydrate the hair a little bit. Love that. I love that for me. And on top of that, sis, the smell is everything. Like, I was at work and I was just walking. I was like, is that me or is that me? Okay, is that me or is that me? But the smell was given, like, hands down. Like, it lingers. People are going to smell you when you walk by. Yeah, they're going to smell the hair. They're going to smell the lavender, aloe vera. They're going to be like, girl, what's that smell? What you wearing? It's Eden. It's a lavender aloe hairline. It's a collection, okay? So yeah, love it. Definitely love it. Will definitely be repurchasing if I need to, especially on this refresher. I don't know if I need to because I'm having so many products to try out, but if I needed to need a little refresher for travel or a gift, I will definitely give this out because it smells so freaking good. But this one is definitely my favorite. My hair loves aloe vera, so I knew that this was going to be a thumbs up. Okay, so if you guys are interested in trying out any Eden Bodyworks products, definitely check the description down below because there will be a link to the website so you can use my discount code, as well as a code on the screen and in the description box. If you just decide to go on Eden and you want to put the code in, you will save 15% off on any product that you end up getting. You know how we like to save our coins over here, so sis, run it up, okay? Christmas is here, New Year's, gifts, birthdays are coming, like, you know, cap season is coming, so you might want to give your little cap friend a little something. Definitely give this to them because I'm gonna tell you, it's lovely. It's definitely lovely. So I don't want to take up any more of your time, guys. Definitely don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Like, thumbs up this video so the YouTube universe know that we're out here, Low Gang is out here putting out videos and everything like that. Also, let me know down below if you guys would love to try it, if you guys will try this line, if you feel like which product might be your favorite out of this line, as well as let me know what videos you would like to see. The new year is coming up and I want to bring you guys some new content, some new things. And I don't know what to bring you guys. I feel like I've done a lot of stuff, but maybe I haven't. So let me know what you would like to see, because I am here for you. So guys, until next time, kisses from me to you. Bye.